this is really quite crazy, that in the midst of a dysfunctional healthcare system, we have 1 out of 4 Americans who cannot afford to fill the prescriptions that their doctors write. Think about that for 1/2 a second. For decades now, members of Congress have been talking about lowering the cost of prescription drugs, and for decades, they have failed to deliver. Talk, 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 nothing happens. The cost of prescription drugs goes up. Over the past 20 years, the pharmaceutical industry has spent over $4.5 billion, not million, $4.5 billion on lobbying and hundreds of millions of dollars in campaign contributions. Last year alone, the pharmaceutical industry hired more than 1,700 well-paid lobbyists to come to Capitol Hill to protect their interests. And what is the result of all of that lobbying and all of those campaign contributions? Well, I think the American people know it every time they walk into a drugstore. The pharmaceutical industry, uniquely in the entire world, is able to raise their prices anytime they want, to any level that they want, all over this country. The American people are asking a simple question. How many people in our country need to die? How many people need to get unnecessarily sicker before Congress is prepared to take on the greed and power of the pharmaceutical industry? Enough is enough. The American people are being played for suckers. They have bought the United States Congress, and it is time now for Congress to stand up to these people.